today's video is all about what makes Google Sheets better than Microsoft Excel. Both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel are powerful spreadsheet tools, but each has its strengths depending on the user's needs. Here are some reasons why Google Sheets might be considered better than Microsoft Excel in certain situations. The first one would be collaboration and real-time editing. In Google Sheets, one of its biggest advantages is seamless real-time collaboration. Multiple users can edit the same document simultaneously, and all changes are visible instantly. Comments, suggestions, and revision history are also easily accessible, making group work very smooth. While Excel has collaboration features, especially in Office 365, the process isn't as seamless as Google Sheets, particularly for real-time editing. The second one would be cloud-based and accessibility. Google Sheets is cloud-based by default, meaning you can access your spreadsheet from anywhere with an internet connection on any device. Your work is automatically saved and stored in your Google Drive. While in Excel, the desktop version requires saving files locally unless you use OneDrive or Office 365. However, the cloud accessibility still feels more integrated in Google Sheets. Our third point would be simplicity and ease of use. Google Sheets is generally easier to use for basic and intermediate users. The interface is cleaner and less cluttered, which can be appealing for users who don't need Excel's extensive feature set. For Microsoft Excel, it is more feature-rich, which is fantastic for advanced users, but this can make it feel more complex for someone who just needs basic spreadsheet functions. Our fourth point would be add-ons and automation. Google Sheets supports various third-party add-ons that enhance functionality and integration with other tools. It also has built-in automation tools like Google Apps Script, which can automate repetitive tasks. Excel also has powerful automation features through Visual Basic for applications, but this requires more technical knowledge and is generally more suited for advanced users. And our fifth and final point, which might be the most important one, would be that Google Sheets is free for anyone with a Google account, which makes it accessible to a broad audience. While Excel typically requires an Office 365 subscription, which can be costly. Although Microsoft has a free version, it only comes with very few features. So although Microsoft Excel is generally superior for complex data analysis, large datasets, and advanced features like pivot tables, macros, and conditional formatting, these 5 features do make Google Sheets stand out, especially for those who are just getting started in the world of spreadsheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.